This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kevin Paris. The Pearl of Portsmouth. This beauty features a large primary suite with an oversized walk-in closet and a large bathroom with double vanity sinks, a separate shower, and a jacuzzi tub. 2 additional bedrooms with walk-in closets, laundry conveniently located upstairs, a spacious loft that can be used as an office or entertainment area, and a robust 4-speaker surround sound system installed in the downstairs area. HOA amenities include access to a clubhouse complete with a cabana, fitness center, swimming pool with a water slide, parks, and a playground. Minutes from shopping interstates and military bases. See this one first. For more information, review the details below or contact Kevin Paris at 757-549-2000.